Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. We've just been investigating the noise from a Toyota Prius. After extensive investigation, we found that the top mount is worn right on top here, and the shock absorber is equally worn out a little bit, and this has been causing noise, the hammering noise. This one. If we do put so then how did this happen? Well, it does look like over time this screw becomes loose. This screw becomes loose, allowing a tight movement, a vertical movement, which has damaged the top mount. So the solution is the shock absorber should have been changed about 70,000 miles. If you drive a Toyota Prius, please don't forget to change the shock absorber. The top mount are very expensive if they get damaged. They're about $250 each. So you better change the shock absorber at 70,000 miles or 100,000 kilometers, and you won't have this problem. So today what we're going to do is we're going to put in a washer inside, so that the shock absorber does not cause any more damage. Even if we don't put a washer, if we only put a brand new shock absorber and make it tight, the noise will go for some time, but it's likely to come back. Okay guys, if you like my video, please like and follow. Once again, this is a shock absorber for Toyota Prius.